Boys already know. Big Mexico. Big Mexico.
Watch. I knocked 2 minutes doing that shit.
We have arrived, y'all boys. Back at Homestead once again. I think it's probably like, well, for this year, probably the second time. But then the last year, probably like the 10th. I've been living at this track recently, bro. Shit crazy. I am hyped. We about to get in the GT3RS. We about to be ripping that bit. I'm pretty sure we get like 3 laps, so it's gonna be real interesting, bro. Real interesting. But you see that gas station, man? Straight 100 octane over there, man. Gonna go in this class. Oh, got my wristband, But you see that right there? It's gonna be me in about like 30 minutes, I think. Gonna be outside. Gonna be ripping this track. I don't rip this joint a few times in the settle, but now it's time for the real deal. My boy, see how it is. We lit. About to be too lit, man. Big GT3. Got a couple people ahead of us, but it's about to be too live.
Look at that boy getting laced up. Big guy head, that's a double XL. Damn, that's a triple, god damn. I got it. Damn, you could probably like barely see it. Oh, I can see it. Damn, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it because of the... God, he's ripping that shit, yo. Okay, I'm not sure if they're gonna give him another 3 laps, but there's an SF90 or whatever Ferrari that is. I can't tell. It's that one-off Ferrari that looks like the SF90, but it's not the SF90. They stopped off over on the side. I think they had a mechanical failure. Just to let y'all boys know, it's Q Dirty commentating. I'm sorry, you know, I know y'all want double M. He be back just now. Promise.
2 hours later.
As you boys can see, I'm on the GoPro now. Pull up to this spot. I've been seeing mad people pull up to. As you can see, people already there again. Passenger princess in the M type of day. Oh, the bag flew off. I was about to say, got a little bag right there. It's gonna be a good day though. Good day. Look at these beauties. Boys got me think I should have brought my car. We gotta come back here one time, one of these days. Look at this beauty, bro. I low-key forgot what he said the color was, but he said it came in only 1 year. Holy. Got the forged wheels, factory carbon everywhere. Oh my gosh. This junk is a beauty. Of course, gotta be a Z06. Holy. This junk is so tough, bro. Definitely don't see, you see C8s, you don't see C8s like this. Dang, this is a freaking beauty, bro. That's crazy. This car is his too. I forgot what he said it's called, but it's a Ferrari. That junk. Yes. Oh, I didn't even know it had that. I did not know they had an electric top like that. What?
It's a hard top? Oh, shit.
That's hard.
Tell him, rev that shit. Nah, bro, I need to hear that shit.
The next day.
What is good, y'all boys? Look at that beauty all aired out and junk. Today finna be a good day. We finna meet up with my boy Kevin. Finna meet up with my lady. Finna meet up with London. Finna meet up with Adrian. I wanna say that's it, but one other person might come. I don't know, but it's gonna be a real good day. We finna recreate this video that I've been seeing on IG and I loved it, bro. Like, it was like a Fast and Furious type video. And it was just crazy, bro. So I'm like, I ain't gonna lie, I really wanna make something like that. Obviously, I don't wanna copy them word for word, but you feel me? I do wanna make something similar, cause like the way they had the car audio and shit like that, like it shit look crazy, bro. Grab everybody together, you feel me? Finna link it. I'm finna go meet with everybody now. Let me go ahead and air the car up and then we're gonna go ahead and head over there. Look at them boys. Sheesh. Sheesh. That shit look good. Here. Alright, so we got 4 out of 6 people that we're waiting for. But we're waiting on, like I said, Kevin and, I don't know if I said it, but Kevin and my lady, they busy right now, so they're gonna catch up with us. But about to go ahead and head out soon. We outside, man. Got the whips out. This is hilarious, bro. A whole lot of bourbons. Look at this lineup, man. Got the G82, the F80, 335, and the M2.
Bro, it looked unswingable.
I hear you.
It looked really swingable, bro. I'm sorry. I was thinking about it. Like,
that would have been bad. That would have been bad. It was so funny. I don't think I got it on camera. I'm like, everybody stomping their brakes. I'm like, why everybody stomping their brakes? And I seen a cop, I was like, oh, that's why. Yeah, bro, I should put on the GoPro grits. Not expect to be sliding right now. Supposed to be a chill cruise. I swear my chill cruises never chill cruises, bro. As y'all boys can see, we is back out here, the famous spot. I feel like I'd be here more than my own house sometimes. Shit crazy. Got this beauty, and that beauty, that beauty, that beauty, and that beauty. And we missing one more. Lady always fashionably late. Shit crazy, but she is on the way though. Hopefully she'll be here sooner than later. But this junk is about to come out fire. Trust your boy is cooking up. Well, y'all boys already know the vibes. I am not finna disappoint. And it's good because this location's so out the way, bro. I feel like we won't get bothered at all. At least every time I came here, shit's been vibing. So I need her to hurry up though, because I feel left out. I'm the only non-BMW. Shit's crazy. Literally surrounded by BMW. But we hold our own though, you feel me? We definitely hold our own. That tune, that some little corn juice in there, shit chillin', chillin'. Thought about to hit him in a little Yui. I was gonna say, I don't think you could do it in first, bro.
Nah, I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah, I don't think you could do it in first. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. go. All right, we got the first part of the video being shot right now. We about to hit this. We about to hit this. Got this. All right, I'm good.
Yep, we're good.
There we go. Goddamn. But get out the way. Ooh, that shit was mean. Sheesh. Tired all of my face. Oh my god, my eyes.
God damn it.
My eyes.
God damn.
Golly. You over here flying
Oh,
back
I'm saying.
in.
Gotta keep these cameras.
Should have put my seatbelt on.
Nigga, why your seatbelt not on?
Yo, over here bumping into this shit.
There's no way he ain't put the fucking seatbelt on. By the way.
Alright. Wait, this?
Yeah.
Oh.
That nigga, that is the worst spot to be.
Right. No.
Be over there.
Oh, oh.
Oh, I was trying to get the inside POV. Yeah, I was trying to get him.
Close. Damn, that was finna be mean. That was finna be mean. He's just gassing it too much.
Yeah.
Bro, that's what mean. There you go. There you go. What you talking about? What you talking about? Y'all boys see we got the keys to the big FE. Gonna record her car and London's car, so we litty. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We is too litty, man. London fucked up. Fucked up getting me the keys. Oh, talk shit. Oh, we is so lit. So lit. So lit. So lit. Hey. Hold up. Big Beamer coming through. Hold up. Big Beamer. Talking shit. Yeah, not a little smooch won't hurt. Oh shit, I ain't expect that. Your shit is torquey as shit. Good F80. Good F80. Alright. Oh shit. Golly.
Alright, in each one of each other. Then we'll split the lanes, alright? Yeah, go right up. Wait, what's the
dumb fast.
Underneath the tail lights.
How is it not on?
Now they on. Looking good. Yeah, leave. Yeah. Yeah. I say today was definitely a good day. We got some good filming. And video we about to cook up about to go crazy, bro. So crazy, dog. We just headed back to the crib now. I get home, about to eat. Might work on the Z a little bit, I don't know. Probably wait till tomorrow, but tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and finally take this car and get a damn alignment too. It's been too damn long. I need to take the Z and get an alignment too, but it is what it is. I don't know if I'll be able to take it tomorrow, but yeah, bro. Definitely a good day. A whole lot of sliding. Boy, lucky the Z ain't out here, man. But I would have been swinging that shit. And even then, boy, lucky I don't got an F80, but man. All right, y'all boys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. If you got this far, I appreciate you for watching. You was clearly a real one. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and call it there. We got ASM and we also got a Cars and Coffee coming up. So I am gonna hit those. So we're gonna see, bro. And we got this far. Let's see if you can see that Z. Hopefully that car is gonna be done soon. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Leave a like and subscribe. Y'all boys know the vibes. Marcos out.